Now, despite a few hiccups since the Jamaica Women's Premier League returned following the enforced COVID-19 break, the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, is insisting it is committed to the local league. Karen Madden spoke with JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung on Friday.
Since the league returned, at least 2 games have been called off because of the late arrival of teams or match officials. But some teams say they are struggling with players having to balance full-time employment with football. For JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung, those issues will be fixed as the Federation strives towards the professionalisation of the Women's League.
We're still going to push ahead because we need to get more women involved. That's another issue too, because there are a limited number of players. But we want to get more women involved, and we know we're going to go through these things, right? And we're prepared for it. We have our disciplinary committee set up. You know, we have an infrastructure here to help people as needed. But we think we're going to have some of these issues occur from time to time until we can get to the place where we have a much better league, much better professional league.
But Chung is aware that there is no quick fix to the issues, but he believes that the Reggae Girls' back-to-back qualification to the FIFA World Cup is a fillip for the local league.
Talent development is a huge focus for us this year. And a big part of that talent development is focusing on women, on girls from primary school up to try and get them involved. We, of course, have to, along with the clubs, speak to the sponsors, but FIFA also is putting a special effort and a lot more funding behind developing women's football globally. So we're going to be assisted with some of that also.
In the meantime, the league returns on Saturday following the Christmas break with 5 fixtures in cross-zone action. In the top of the table clash, Fraser's Whip, who leads Zone A on 12 points, will face Zone B leaders Cavalier, also on 12 points, at Royal Lakes Complex. Elsewhere, Rangers face Mile Gully at the St. Mary's Sports Complex. Baptiste Alliance hosts Real Mabay at Paul Bogle High. Olympic Gardens and Ver United square off at the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence, while at Westpow Park, Sprinters and the Royal Lakes will do battle. All games kick off at 3 o'clock. Reggae Girls invitee Chanel Buckley and the fellow national player David Richards of Fraser's Whip lead the Gold Stally on 11, followed by Rena Gordon of Cavalier on 10. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.